Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. $PAWS listing on Binance. Everything you need to know about the upcoming launch. The crypto world is abuzz with excitement as $PAWS, one of the most anticipated tokens of the year, prepares for its official listing on Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. This milestone is set to not only elevate $PAWS's visibility, but also enhance its accessibility to millions of traders worldwide. Whether you're already part of the $PAWS community or considering joining, this is your ultimate guide to what's happening, why it matters, and how you can get involved. Why the Binance listing is a game changer. Getting listed on Binance is a significant achievement for any crypto project. For $PAWS, it signals validation, growth, and increased potential. Here's why the Binance listing is a big deal. Massive exposure. Binance is a global platform, and listing there introduces $PAWS to millions of active traders, investors, and enthusiasts. Improved liquidity. With more people trading $PAWS, liquidity improves, making it easier to buy and sell the token without price fluctuations. Credibility boost. A Binance listing is seen as a stamp of approval, signaling that $PAWS meets high standards of quality and security. Ecosystem growth. Increased adoption and trading activity bring more opportunities for $PAWS to expand its ecosystem and use cases. The listing is more than just a trading event. It's a chance for $PAWS to solidify its position in the market and attract a wider audience. $PAWS Airdrop. How to get free tokens. To celebrate this milestone, $PAWS is hosting an airdrop event, giving users the chance to claim free tokens. Here's what you need to know to participate. 1. Connect your Phantom wallet. To qualify for the airdrop, you'll need a Phantom wallet. This wallet is secure, user-friendly, and perfect for managing tokens on the blockchain. Step 1. Download the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension. Step 2. Create your account or import an existing one. Step 3. Link your wallet to the $PAWS ecosystem to confirm your participation. 2. Stay active in the community. Being an active member of the $PAWS community can boost your chances of receiving airdrop rewards. Participate in discussions, share updates, and keep an eye on official announcements for more ways to qualify. 3. Watch for the airdrop date. The airdrop will be distributed before the Binance listing, ensuring participants get their tokens early. Stay tuned for the official announcement of the claim date and process. Earning badges, your gateway to exclusive rewards. $PAWS is more than just a token. It's building a thriving community where every member plays a role. One way to recognize your contributions is through community badges. Badges are awarded for active participation, such as voting on important decisions or contributing to the project's growth. Here's why they matter. Recognition. Badges show your involvement and dedication to the $PAWS community. Exclusive perks. Badge holders often get early access to features, events, and rewards. Community influence. As a badge holder, your voice carries weight in shaping the future of $PAWS. If you've already earned a badge, congratulations. If not, now's the perfect time to get involved and secure your place as a valued member of the $PAWS ecosystem. What makes $PAWS stand out? The upcoming Binance listing is just one of many reasons why $PAWS is capturing attention in the crypto space. Here's what sets it apart. Innovative features. $PAWS is constantly introducing new tools and services to enhance user experience. Strong community. The $PAWS ecosystem is built around active engagement and collaboration, giving users a voice in its direction. Scalability and security. The platform is designed to handle rapid growth while maintaining top-notch security measures. Future plans for $PAWS. The $PAWS team has big ambitions for the token beyond its Binance debut. Here's what's on the horizon. 1. Expanding use cases. $PAWS aims to integrate into various industries, offering real-world applications that go beyond trading. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to gaming, the possibilities are endless. 2. Ecosystem partnerships. The team is actively working to build partnerships that enhance the $PAWS ecosystem, opening doors to new opportunities and developments. 3. Global community growth. As $PAWS continues to gain traction, the focus remains on growing and empowering its global community. More events, airdrops, and engagement opportunities are on the way. How to stay ahead? With the Binance listing and airdrop around the corner, now is the time to act. Here's how you can prepare. Set up your wallet. Ensure your Phantom wallet is ready for the airdrop. Follow official channels. Stay updated by following $PAWS on social media and joining community forums. Engage actively, earn badges, participate in events, and make your voice heard in the $PAWS community. Final thoughts. The $PAWS listing on Binance is a major milestone that marks the start of an exciting new chapter. Whether you're in it for the trading opportunities, the community rewards, or the chance to be part of something innovative, $PAWS offers it all. Don't miss this opportunity to join the $PAWS revolution. Get your wallet ready, engage with the community, and prepare for a future filled with possibilities. The journey is just beginning. Are you ready to be part of it?